Today we've got 5 great ways to do remote work better, including taking care of yourself. So let's go. So remote work is still all the rage and likely to stay with us, so it's important to optimize the experience, staying productive yet still taking care of you. I've got 5 cool tips for working remotely better, including both commonly known and some lesser known strategies. Whether you're a seasoned remote worker or new to the game, these tips can help you stay focused, healthy, and productive while working from home. So first up is taking care of your mental and physical self and get out of here. In other words, sitting for an extended period of time can be harmful to your health. So it's essential to incorporate movement breaks into your workday. Walking meetings are one of my favorites and are a great way to combine exercise and productivity. You can even book meetings designed to be walking meetings. Instead of sitting in a conference room or at your desk, take your meeting outside for a walk. So not only will you get some fresh air and exercise, but you'll also stimulate your brain and boost your productivity. Another great way to incorporate movement breaks is to use a standing desk or one of those balance ball chairs instead of a traditional office chair. These options can help improve posture, your core strength, and energy levels throughout the day. Make sure now, if you have a standing desk, to alternate its height between standing and sitting in order to get the maximum benefit. What is your top tip for working remotely? Share your best idea in the comments below so that you can help everyone here by sharing what you know. So next up is to set a routine and use time blocking. One of the best ways to reduce stress and improve productivity is to create a routine and then stick with it. Time blocking is a technique that involves scheduling specific blocks of time for various tasks throughout the day, including work-related tasks, self-care, exercise, personal activities. Get them all scheduled in blocks in your calendar so that you're sure to do all of them. By selecting your time or scheduling your time in blocks, you'll be less likely to feel overwhelmed or overworked, and you can focus on what needs to get done right now. Next up is to avoid multitasking. Trying to do too many things at once can be counterproductive and stressful. Instead, focus on completing one task at a time and prioritize your to-do list based on the most impactful items. This way, you'll make progress on important tasks and feel a sense of accomplishment, which can boost motivation and morale. Next up is to have a dedicated workspace that is away from your personal life. It's crucial to separate your work and your personal life when working remotely. To do this, create a dedicated workspace that is away from the rest of your personal life. This could be a separate room in your house or a corner of a room that you designate as your work area. You can even tape off the floor if that helps. Having a specific workspace can help you mentally separate work from personal time and increase productivity by reducing distractions. Next up is taking advantage of virtual team building activities. So remote work can be isolating, and it's essential to stay connected with your colleagues to maintain a sense of community. Participating in virtual team building activities such as online games or virtual happy hours. This is one of my favorites. This can help you build relationships and maintain a sense of camaraderie. Not only can this help you feel less isolated, but can also improve collaboration and communication with your colleagues. It's also a lot of fun too. So the big question is, now that you have your remote work working better for you, how are you going to accelerate your career success and maximize your income? Well, I have the answer to that right here, so I'll see you there in just a second.